Championship Egypt team in 2013. He also has a degree in electrical engineering, and he's married to world number 2 player Raneem El-Wali. Last year he made the quarters at the British Open, the Tournament Champions, and Bellevue, Washington. He's the runner-up in Houston and Qatar, and he won the Cambridge Cup, where he beat Gregory Gaultier and Paul Coral along the way. In the first round, he had a very exciting match against Mohamed Abubakar, which he won 3-2. He's currently number 7 in the world, 29 years old, from Egypt. Another warm welcome to